What? This flower magically appears after rain and disappears just as fast?
Yes, you heard it right. Meet the rain lily, nature's surprise gift. It blooms overnight after rainfall like nature pressed a refresh button. Each flower lasts only a few days, making it rare and special. It grows from the underground bulbs and waits patiently until the rain wakes it up. That is why it is also called magic lily. Next time it rains, look closely. You might spot this hidden beauty. I spotted it in my university.